Cloud is a term used to describe the delivery of computing services over the internet. These services include storage, databases, computing power, and other technologies traditionally provided by on-premises servers and hardware. Imagine you have a box with all of your important things like photos, documents, and music. This box is located in your house and you can only access it when you're physically there. Now imagine that instead of this box, you have an online storage space where you can store all of your important things. This storage space is not located in your house, but it is on the internet. You can access this storage space from any device that is connected to the internet, like your computer, phone, or tablet. This online storage space is what we call the cloud. This cloud is what gives you access to your files, photos, and other data from your home, computer, phone, or any other device. But the cloud is not just about storage. It can also provide other computing services, like running software applications or hosting websites that are typically done on a physical computer or a server. By using the cloud, you can save money and time since you do not need to buy expensive hardware or maintain it yourself. Cloud computing is like a utility service, similar to electricity or water. Just as you don't need to generate your own electricity or dig a well for water, you can access computing resources on demand through the cloud. Just like turning on a light switch to get instant access to electricity or turning on a faucet to get water. Using the cloud eliminates the need to invest in expensive computing infrastructure, just as you don't need to build your own power plant or water treatment facility. And just as you pay for the amount of electricity or water you use, you pay only for the amount of computing resources you use within the cloud. Moreover, the cloud provides flexibility to scale up or down based on your computing needs, just as you might adjust your electricity usage based on your needs. If you have guests over, you might use more electricity than usual. And if you go on a vacation, you might use less. Similarly, if your business experiences spike in demand, you can easily access more computing resources through the cloud and scale back down when the demand decreases. This can help businesses be more agile and quickly respond to changing market conditions. The cloud offers improved collaboration and communication among team members since they can access shared files and applications from anywhere. This can help increase productivity and make it easier for teams to work together, even if they're located in different parts of the world. Overall, the cloud has transformed how we access and use computing resources, and its impact is felt across various industries and applications. So whether you're an individual looking to access your files over multiple devices or a business looking to run your workloads, reduce costs, and improve collaboration within teams, the cloud has much to offer.